Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Exec Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to delete your shipping address on Taobao without any stress. All you have to do is to watch the step by step I'm taking in this video and see how you delete your shipping address on Taobao. Okay, well, before I get today's tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe to Exec Graphics and Multimedia. Having subscribed to the channel, click on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about China importation and some other country importation, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you would like to check more videos as far as China importation is concerned, just have to do is to just visit my YouTube channel, that is Exec Graphics and Multimedia. When you visit my channel, when you visit Exec Graphics and Multimedia, you have to come to the top right here, playlist. Click on the playlist and you see more videos. So when you click on the playlist, it takes you right here. So then you scroll down and look for importation class. So I have about 134 videos as at the time of making this video. Just click on that. So when you click on that, you'll be able to see a lot of video I have made in the past as far as China importation, US importation, Turkey importation, and India importation is concerned. You can check one of the video about any topic you related to what you want to learn. You can check video about WeChat training. You can check video about 1688, Pindodo, Alipay, and etc. So you can see I have a lot of video right here. Yeah, you can watch one or two things and learn stuff as far as importation is concerned. Okay, and lastly but not the least, if you would like to join my paid class, you can as well contact me you can as well contact me on my Facebook profile via the name on the screen of this video. And lastly but not the least, you can as well check the description of this video if you would like to connect with me on WhatsApp for further importation business related issue. If you would like to join my paid class as well, you can as well contact me via the information in the description of this video. So guys, so let's go straight to the tutorial and see how you too can delete your shipping address from Taobao without any stress. Okay, so I will head over to my Taobao app right here on my phone screen right here. So here we go. This is my Taobao app. So I'm going to click on it right away. Alright guys, so this is how Taobao opens. Now the next thing you have to do is to visit your profile. All you have to do is to click on here. Okay. So I click on that, it takes you right here. Okay. So the next thing you have to do is to scroll down and you have to look for this location icon right here. Click on this point. When you click on that, it takes you right here. Okay. Alright, so the next thing you have to do is to click at the top right here. Click on this top red right here. So I'm going to click on that. Then it takes you right here. Okay. Then it takes you right here. So when you get to this point, this has to do with you want to delete your address. All you have to do is to click on this point right here. So when you click on that, you're going to see. Then they're going to ask you an information right here. So finally, you have to click on here to delete. Click on that. Boom. So you can see now that you have successfully deleted your shipping address on Taobao without any stress. If you still want to add more shipping address, all you have to do is to click on here and add your new shipping address. So guys, this is how you delete your shipping address on Taobao without any stress. If you are finding value for this video, give the video a big thumb up. And if you have not yet subscribed, remember to subscribe to the channel for more importation tips and tricks. If you would like to join my paid class where I coach you one-on-one on how you too can be a successful independent importer, whether you want to learn how to import yourself from China to any other country of your choice, you can as well contact me via the description of this video. Check my contact detail here. You get in touch with me. If you have any further question as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.